Hi everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Sherry.
Right here at John Howerton Honda in Beckley.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Frontier. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, trip odometer.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Hi everyone, I'm John Howerton with John Howerton Honda right here in Beckley. I feel so blessed with all the great folks I've met. And you know, a dealer will come along every once in a while and beat our price or payment by just a teeny little bit. But you know what? They'll never beat our people here and our willingness to help you before and after the sale. Because here at John Howerton Honda, it's all about relationships.
Hey, John.
Hey, Pete. I'll be with you in a second. Sorry, I got to go. I want my cup of coffee. Hey, come see us.